Stay comfortable when you're hiking and exploring in this lightweight silhouette from Adidas. This Terrex style sneaker uses a lightweight nylon upper that's very tough, with some synthetic overlays across the heel to add strength, as well as across the front with some rubber, giving it abrasion resistance and durability. There's a ghillie lace-up to make sure it fits just right, and the inner lining is made with some padded textile on that collar and the tongue for easier support. There is a cushioned foam footbed down there in the bottom for even more comfort, and it's made out of recycled materials, keeping it very eco-friendly with a super sleek look. The midsole is made with some lightweight EVA, adding some shock absorption with durable comfort, sitting on top of a traction outsole that maximizes grip on uncertain terrain with those uphill and downhill flat lug patterns.